Welcome again after a long break, because sorry, but I don't have the time to do the videos. We have a very busy here. Anyway, we have a Samsung television here, model number QE65Q70RAT. So let's say again, QE65Q70RAT or RAT, whatever. Okay, and let's check what's happened here. Let's plug it in, and you can see here, or maybe you can hear. It's turning on, and it's turning off. It's restarting all the time, and we hear the clicking relay. Let's have a look at the picture if you can see something. There's no picture, and the television keeps restarting all the time. I'm not sure if you can see here this the standby button here, standby light. You see, keeps restarting all the time, but there's no picture. Okay, first of all, we open this television. I opened this before, you know, because it's very hard to open. Well, it's not hard, but you need to use the tools to open this television. Okay. And I show you how to open this without opening tool in Samsung. Okay, so if you have two screwdrivers, you can use two screwdrivers. Okay, I'll show you here. I close this hook. Okay, it's closed here now. So first screwdriver, we slide in. Doesn't need to be two flat screwdrivers. Okay, slide it in and do like that. And put another screwdriver here and go like that all the way. Okay, then if you hold this, there is two pins here. You need to push the pins here, and you can lift like that, you know. You can lift something here, and then you go around all the way, and the same that way, you know. So that's really be annoying, but you can do this easy. Anyway, I opened this before. Probably you can find a lot of videos on YouTube how to open this. Anyway, so we have a TV here inside. As you can see, power supply. There's a main board. There's a LED driver board which is driving the backlight here. Give you the, because there is a probably the backlight. It's like a zone backlight, which is, you know, if there is a dark scene somewhere, the backlight is turning off on some sides, on some you know, in some areas on the screen. But anyway, let's check what's happening here. Okay, so let's turn on. I turn on this now and see what's happening here. Okay, you see the backlight there? Yeah, you can see the backlight here. So you can see. It's turning on and turning off, and you can hear the clicking sound here. Yeah, it's doing it all the time like that. Okay, so many technicians, many people thinking wrong. There's a problem with the motherboard. But there's not a problem with the motherboard. How we can check with it's a problem with the back? Maybe the backlight, yeah? No, the backlight is fine. I'll show you why. You disconnect the motherboard here, okay? Just squeeze this connector and just put it like that, okay? So we have a disconnected motherboard, okay? So now we turn this television on now, and we have a steady backlight here, okay? The backlight is all the time, which is steady, and there's nothing happen here. So we know the power supply is okay and the backlight is okay. So we can exclude those two things, and also the LED driver is okay. So that's fine, okay? That's very good. Because to replace the backlight heater could be the pain, you know. Anyway, the power supply is fine. You can check the measurements on the if 12 volts is steady, but this is steady, believe me, okay? So let's turn off this again, okay? And what next could be here? Could be here I suspect the problem is with the display, with the screen. Okay, so how I can check this? We disconnect the two ribbon cables and I turn on. And what's happened now? We have a motherboard on. We have a disconnected display. And what we have now, we have steady backlight. It's no restarting anymore. So the problem is with the screen display, right? So it's probably some short in the CKV lines, okay? So how we can check this? Well, we check this. There's a problem there, but there's a tool, you know. Probably the problem would be on the left hand side because from the experience I know that. So, okay, so we put it back on the top, the right side. Okay, let's take I cut just a piece of the Kapton tape. Okay, and what we can do here, and we can just cover a couple pins here. Okay, we start from the bottom. Yeah, and we see what happens. We cover a couple pins, and let's see. It's still the same. It's not turning on anymore. It's keep restarting, but there's no backlight. You know, it's keep restarting on. So it's not. We need to put maybe a little bit further. So let's move this. Maybe something like that. Okay. And let's put it back in. Let's turn on. Still the same, yeah? Okay, so let's move a little bit more. A little bit more. About here maybe, somewhere, yeah? About here. Let's turn on now. It's about 1 centimeters thick tape. Okay, let's turn on again. Still the same. Okay, let's check this now. Let's put it here. A little bit further. And let's turn on again. Still the same, yeah? Okay. Let's go here. Again. Let's cover like that. Check this again. Okay, so now we have it's not restarting anymore. And let's check the quality of the picture. You can see I think should be okay right now. Picture is fine. Let's put some menu maybe. Can we? We have the button. Yeah, I think it should be okay like now. Yeah, the quality is fine. There's no lines, nothing like that. Yeah, it should be perfect now. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Fantastic, perfect. No issues. Not restarting anymore. So we leave like that, and I show you exactly how many pins are covered. If you move a little bit too forward, or you could have some problem with the picture, lines on the picture, or some discoloration. Okay, but at the moment it's fine. It's perfect. So I show you exactly. Sorry, that's my phone. I'll show you exactly how many pins I covered here. Let's see here. Just want to zoom in for you, okay? See that many pins, and that many pins is covered from the bottom side, okay? So you saw that. Put it back in. One more test. Yeah, it's okay now. Yeah, it's not restarting anymore, and probably we have a picture again here. So we have a picture. Yeah, we have a picture, no problem. See, perfect. Yeah, so that's it. It's very simple repair, but the television is very nice. 65 inches QLED TV, and it's a shame they're gone so quickly. You know, we have a lot of them. A lot of QLEDs, 50 inches, 65 inches, 60 inches, 70, 75 inches. There's a big problem with the display now. So I don't know how long will work this. Maybe it'll last for 10 years, maybe last for a couple of weeks only. But, you know, it's only option to fix this at the moment. You know, we can't do anything else with this. So we let them know customer about this, and that's all. I help you with this television. If you find this okay for you, if it's very helpful, just please subscribe me and leave it thumb up. Thank you very much for watching. See you again. Bye.